Monoshock Fabrication Part 6 CX500 1980 Honda. Okay, so I got this homemade swing arm assembly mocked up right now with the orange pieces of paper are going to be the tabs for the shock. I just have it resting on the down tube there, but I need to make another bracket for that as well. I have these pieces set at 45 degrees. I did a lot of research online and actually downloaded pictures and got the angle the best I could, and I had some other people, actually the owner of the bike, check for the angles as well. So that's what we came up with. You could see I need to massage the holes a little bit, as you know, they're so precision that there's no give at all, so I have to just hit it with maybe a cartridge grit roll or something to make them a little bigger so that tube slips through. And you can see the bottom piece there. This is what I was talking about. I'm going to make a plate that bolts to here to the lower swing arm, and I'm going to make bushings so when you tighten the bolts it doesn't want to crush the swing arm. There's going to be steel bushings welded in on each side. Probably I'm going to use 2, maybe 3/8 or 1/2 inch bolts for this. But you can see the down tube here, this down piece, I need to make it cut at an angle, but I'm not ready to do that yet until I get everything in line and mocked up. You can see I'm not in line yet with the shock. That's because that hokey setup right there is not what I'm looking for. There'll be some sort of tubing welded to that, some square tubing, supported somehow, really beefy, really strong, it's not going to break. So all in all, real happy with this. It's taken a long time. These uprights here, the factory uprights, I'm going to actually cut these, flip it around, and then this will come up to the seat pan and hold the seat pan up. It'll actually come up like this, I think, and hold the seat pan up. I still have to build that as well and build a tank mount. Right now I got to clean my garage. It's a mess. Here's my CNC plasma cutter table, boxes and everything all over it. My Bridgeport's a mess, my lathe's a mess, my welders are a mess, so I got to clean everything up. But I may continue just a little bit. I may open those holes up a little bit and get that situated first. Otherwise it's coming out really, really cool. All I did, all my slices, I just tacked them right now. They're all at the exact angle. I used a digital angle finder when I tacked them, and I also, as I tacked them, I put the angle finder on it, and I allowed they moved about 1/10 of a degree, so I allowed for that when I welded them, when I tacked them. But when I do a full weld, I'm going to look at that as well, so make sure they all move the same. So anyways, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hopefully I'll be done with this thing in a couple weeks, because I have a lot to do. I need to extend the I need to make mounts for the exhaust because I'm going to lose those. I also need to extend the kickstand because this bike is going to be a lot higher, as the owner's about 6'2". I'm about the same height as well. And hopefully the shock rebound or the shock settings will be good for the weight of him. I think he weighs around 200, I'm around 230, so I don't know. We'll have to figure it out when we sit on the bike and maybe crank it up. So, and he's got front forks from a sport bike as well. I think it's a Honda CBR 600 or something like that. I'm not really into bikes, but this is a real cool project. Taken a long, long time, but I'll keep on doing it. He's got another one behind it, so I'm making drawings as I go, and how many degrees I got to bend my pieces and where I got to cut the 1-inch holes. So if he wants another one done, it won't be as tedious because I'm designing as I go. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.